One SuiteRep client had customers who loved ordering by spreadsheet. It was convenient for them. But behind the scenes, that convenience came at a cost. Every spreadsheet order had to be reviewed and keyed into NetSuite by hand. And on high-value orders, one mistake could cost real time, money, and trust. So SuiteRep built a Celigo-powered integration connecting SharePoint directly to NetSuite. Now, when our client uploads an order spreadsheet, it flows straight into NetSuite automatically. No manual entry required. Our client doesn't have to change a thing. The transformation happens entirely behind the scenes, exactly where it was needed most. As a result, our client enjoys zero manual entry, faster order processing, and fewer costly errors, freeing the team to focus on higher value work instead of retyping spreadsheets. If your team is still re-entering data that should flow automatically, SuiteRep can help you find a smarter way. Visit SuiteRep.com to schedule your free consultation.